This is the 60-inch ceiling fan with natural speed that will be adjusting slow and fast as you're seeing. We have a remote control to control different types of speeds, the time of the unit, and so forth. We have it for the summer mode, which is going in a clockwise direction, and winter mode, counterclockwise direction. The speeds are different and variable with the DC motor, very quiet indeed. And what we're going to do is just put it on to speed number 1. You'll hear audible tune from the motor and the fan will slow down. We have on the fan over here a stop that we could hit the stop, and we have a forward and reverse as well with a timer. So we're going to do it in the reverse order and show you what it looks like. In review is a 60-inch ceiling fan, nicely packaged and protected. We have an instruction guide that we can go over. We have in the box separated are the 3 blades. Taking out the upper part, the bracket, the cosmetics of the bracket and fan, the covering to the fan's bottom on the top with a washer that's going to be hooked onto the blades. The DC motor, size of my hand, very quiet and efficient and lightweight. Hardware, short bar, long bar, and the transmitter receiver parts to put into the fan. Please check further online for details about your product. This product comes in a number of colors, and this is made of wood. It's very easy to keep clean. We're going to assemble the blade to the motor. The large ring is called the washer, the bolt, the blade, and they should start to lock into this particular area. I'm going to feel for the holes and lock down. Repeat for the next 2. All the bolts tightened down, the washer on correctly, then you can take it, turn it around. Option is you have a long or short pole. We're going to use the short pole. We're going to remove the collet pin and bolt. We're going to take the cover. We're going to take the cosmetic cover for the fan. And we're going to bring it as close as possible. Slide the wiring through. We're going to lock in with the collet pin. You're going to do your best to slide through. The pin with the flat end. With the pin, you're going to slide through the little bolt hole. Tighten up the both screws. Slide down and ready to hang. With the information on the transmitter, you have for the light as an option. You have for the motor 3, 4, and 5. Brown, red, and yellow. You have your live neutral and your black. When on top, you're going to put your load and your neutral in. And that is the build side of the fan. Let's show you what the fan is about. And let's get going. On the top is speed number 5. And on the top and bottom are your reverse speeds. So we're going to let the fan get to its speed. And then we're going to hit the reverse button to show you that this is a safety feature. The fan will stop and then go in reverse. As it slows down, it should stop, wait, balances to reverse. So if you're looking for a ceiling fan for large room offices, hallways that are big and tall, this fan may be right for you.